Hey there, in today's video I'm going to compare the specs of Roborock S8 with Roborock Q8 Max, like which one is better in what. So when you're gonna have the object recognition is both die, you're gonna have responsive 3D and reactive 3D. Mob and vacuum function is both, but you're gonna have with Roborock S8 you can vaporize. Mob vibration is up to 3000 times per minute here for Roborock S8, but I don't have any for Q8 Max here. The carpet recognition is something I found the Roborock S8 also lifts mob, but you're gonna have for Q8 Max 2, so it's better for Roborock S8. The map storage and no-go zone are in both. Then you're gonna have suction power is better for Roborock S8 by 500. Then both got mob intensity settings. The child lock is for S8, but I didn't get it for the Roborock Q8 Max if it has. The auto recharge and resume is both. Then battery capacity both. Then you get navigation, you have precise laser navigation both. Max cleaning are up to 300 both, same. Zone cleaning, the main brushes, the introduction video on both. The runtime is better for Q8 Max here. You see there you have 240 minutes there. Noise level also for Q8 Max. Dustbin capacity bar 70 milliliters is better for Q8 Max. Water tank capacity also. Filtration tie, supported surfaces all. A cleaning scheduling yes, Wi-Fi yes, app name same, not same, but like they're both got the same app, and both got voice control compatibility. I just wanted to make this quick video now. When I just summarize it, is that just be aware the suction power is better for Roborock S8. You're gonna vaporize for Roborock S8. Carpet recognition when it lifts up. Maybe it's also doing, but I couldn't get it for Q8 Max. Then you're gonna have it also, many things are similar, but runtime is better for Q8 Max. The noise level is better, but it's not by much. The dustbin capacity and water capacity is better for Q8 Max. So if you're a larger space, maybe the Q8 Max is going to be more important to you. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video gave you at least a little bit of value. Have a great day and goodbye.